Start the new topic, methods of valuation of goodwill. Since goodwill is an intangible asset, there are specific methods to determine its value. Valuation of goodwill depends on a profit earning capacity of a firm or a business. પ્રોફિટ અર્નિંગ કેપેસિટી આપણી કેટલી છે તેના ઉપર ગુડવિલની વેલ્યુ નક્કી કરી શકાશે. પ્રોસ્પેક્ટિવ અર્નિંગ કેપેસિટી ઇન ફ્યુચર આપણે અર્નિંગ કેપેસિટી કેવી હશે મીન્સ ફ્યુચર મેન્ટેનેબલ પ્રોફિટ. હાવેવર while determining the future maintainable profit, past year's profits are considered as the base. કે એના ફ્યુચર આપણે કેટલો પ્રોફિટ અર્ન કરી શકશું એ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવા માટે પાસ્ટ યરના પ્રોફિટને આપણે એઝ અ બેઝ તરીકે કાઉન્ટ કરશું. Various methods are available for the valuation of goodwill. Generally, the following four methods are used for the valuation of goodwill. Here, first, average profit method, second, weighted average profit method, third, super profit method, and fourth, capitalization of profit method. Start sum number 4. From the following information of Bhavesh and Vipul's firm, compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase of last 5 years average profit. Information of last 5 years profit is as under. आपको 5 years का profit दिया गया है. In year 2011-12 profit is 1 lakh. In a year 12-13 profit is 1,10,000. In a year 13-14 profit is 1,80,000. In the year 14-15 profit is 2 lakhs, and in the year 15-16 profit is 1,50,000. We have to find out the value of goodwill. First method is average profit method. First of all, we have to find out the average of profit of the following years. हमको average amount कितनी है वो हमें search करनी होगी. So this average profit on the basis of last 5 years profit and 4 years purchase. First of all, हम 2 columns बनाएंगे year and profit. 11-12 profit is 1 lakh, 12-13 profit is 1,10,000, 13-14 profit is 180, 14-15 profit is 2 lakhs, and 15-16 profit is 150. First of all, we find out total profit. Total profit is equal to 1 lakh plus 1,10,000 plus 180 plus 2 lakhs plus 1,50,000. So the total profit amount is 7,40,000. Average profit formula is total profit divided by number of years. Total profit है हमारा 7,40,000 divided by number of years. Years है 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15 and 15, 16. 5 years का profit हमें दिया गया है. So the average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Here total profit is equal to 7,40,000 divided by number of years is equal to 5. So the average profit is equal to 1,48,000. Then goodwill की formula है average profit into number of years purchased. आपको sum में number of years purchased कितने हैं वो दिए होंगे. Here average profit is equal to 1,48,000 and number of years purchase 4 years दिया गया है. So 1,48,000 into 4. So 5,92,000 is the answer. So the average profit is equal to 1,48,000 and goodwill is equal to 5,92,000. ना क्वेश्चन आपको दिया गया है number of years purchase. Compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase. So here average profit is equal to 1,48,000 and number of years purchase is equal to 4. So the answer is 5,92,000. Number 5, same method है average profit method. Mahendra and Praveer are partners of the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They want to change their profit loss ratio to 1:1. Therefore, they decided to make valuation of goodwill. We have to find out goodwill valuation. As per the partnership agreement, value of goodwill is to be determined on the basis of 5 years purchase of last 4 years average profit. हमें 4 years का profit है वो दिया गया है. 2013-14 profit is 60,000, 14-15 में profit है 80,000, 15-16 में profit नहीं है, loss दिया गया है 20,000 का loss है 15-16 में, and in 16-17 profit is 30,000. First of all, we हम टोटल करेंगे। प्रॉफिट हमें दिया गया है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड आउट टोटल प्रॉफिट 60,000 प्लस 80,000 माइनस 20,000। बिकॉज यहाँ प्रॉफिट नहीं है, 15-16 में प्रॉफिट नहीं है, लॉस हुआ है, तो वो अमाउंट हम माइनस करेंगे। 60,000 प्लस 80,000 माइनस 20,000 प्लस 30,000, so the amount is 1,55,000. Then formula of average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Formula of average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. So the total profit आया है 1,50,000 divided by number of years, 4 years. 1,50,000 divided by 4. So the average profit is equal to 37,500. Then we find out goodwill amount. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. So the average profit amount आया है 37,500 into number of years purchase हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है 5. 37,500 into 5. So the goodwill amount is 1,87,500. In the last two sum, we learn about valuation of goodwill in average profit method. Now we will learn about how to find out goodwill calculation, how to find out valuation of goodwill on the basis of weighted average profit method. Sum number 6 है इसके लिए. From the following information find out weighted average profit method. आपको year और profit दिया गया है. 13-14 में profit है 60,000, 14-15 में profit है 70,000, 15-16 में profit 90,000 and 16-17 में profit है 1,10,000. First of all, here we make 4 columns. First year, second profit, third weight and fourth product. Year 13-14, 14-15, 15-16 and 16-17. Profit is given in the question 60,000, 70,000, 90,000 and 1,10,000. Then we weight the profit amount. सबसे कम प्रॉफिट है उसको हम 1 वेट देंगे. हियर सबसे कम प्रॉफिट है 60,000, सो द वेट इज 1. उससे ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट है 14-15 में, दैट इज 70,000, सो द वेट इज 2. उससे ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट है 15-16 में 90,000, सो द वेट इज 3. एंड उससे ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट 16-17 में दिया गया है 1,10,000, सो द वेट अमाउंट इज 4. देन fourth column is product. In this column we multiply profit and weight. So profit into weight 60,000 into 1, 60,000, 70,000 into 2, 1,40,000, 90,000 into 3, 2,70,000 and 1,10,000 into 4, 4,50,000. So the total weight amount is 10 and total product amount is 9,10,000. वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट की फॉर्मूला है टोटल वेटेड प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वेट. फोर्थ कॉलम है टोटल वेटेड प्रॉफिट इज 9,10,000 एंड टोटल वेट दिया गया है 10. वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू टोटल वेटेड प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वेट. टोटल वेटेड प्रॉफिट है 9,10,000 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वेट इज इक्वल टू 10. So the 9,10,000 divided by 10, so the answer is 91,000. हमारा एवरेज प्रॉफिट आया है 91,000. 7. From the following information of Babulal and Kantilal's firm, determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of last 5 years weighted average profit. Here we have to find out weighted average profit and valuation of goodwill on the base of weighted average profit method. हियर हमें ईयर और प्रॉफिट दिया गया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट कॉलम ईयर, सेकंड कॉलम में प्रॉफिट. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ गुडविल ऑफ 3 years एंड वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ लास्ट 5 years. हियर 12-13, 13-14, 14-15, 15-16 एंड 16-17. प्रॉफिट दिया गया है 40,000, 60,000, 75,000, 90,000 एंड 1,20,000. वेट सबसे कम प्रॉफिट है उसको हम 1 वेट देंगे. यह सबसे कम प्रॉफिट है 12-13 में, दैट इज 40,000, सो द वेट इज 1. उससे ज़्यादा है 13-14 में 60,000, वेट इज 2. उससे ज़्यादा 14-15 में 75,000, वेट इज 3. 15, 16 में 90,000 है, 75,000 से ज़्यादा, सो द वेट इज 4। एंड 16, 17 में प्रॉफिट है सबसे ज़्यादा 1,20,000, सो द वेट इज 5। फोर्थ कॉलम प्रोडक्ट की होगी, प्रॉफिट इंटू वेट, 40,000 इंटू 1 दैट इज 40,000, 60,000 इंटू 2 1,20,000, 75,000 इंटू 3 2,25,000, 90,000 into 4 3,60,000 and 1,20,000 into 5 6 lakhs. So the total of product amount is 13,45,000 and total weight is 15. Weighted average profit की formula है total weighted profit. ये total weighted profit आया है 13,45,000 divided by total weight. Total weight is 15. 13,45,000 divided by 15. So the answer is 89,667. Then we find out goodwill amount. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years. Weighted average profit आया है 89,667 into number of years question में दिया गया है 3. 89,667 into 3, so the goodwill amount is 2,69,000.